खमंग आणि घमघमीत असो चिवडो तयार आसा. गरम गरम असताना चिवडो खावपाची एक रुचूच वेगळी असता. सो आय विल ट्राय इट. आंबट, तिखट, गोड सगळ्या तरेच्यो चवी आयल्या भितर. ती आंबटसाण म्हाका दिसता काला नमका खातीर.
काला नमक.
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास असो चिवडो जाल्लो आसा.
खमंग कुरकुरीत खुसखुशीत. बेगीनूच रेसिपी बरोवन घेयात, टाइम काड नाकात.
खमंग चिवडो करपा खातीर तुमकां लागतले करबेल, काळें मीठ, सुकी कोथमीर आनी जिऱ्याची पूड, मिरसांग्याचो पिठो, पिठी साकर, हळदीचो पिठो, हिंग, फुटाणे दाळ, भिंगटा, काजू बियो, सुक्या खोबऱ्याच्यो कातल्यो, दगडी फोव, मीठ आनी तेल. एका कायलीन तेल तापोवन भिंगटा, काजू बियो, सुक्या खोबऱ्याच्यो कातल्यो, फुटाणे दाळ फ्राय करून घेवपाचे. उपरांत तेलान दगडी फोव फुलोवन घेवपाचे. फुलयल्ल्या फोवान सुकी कोथमिरीचो पिठो, जिऱ्याचो पिठो, पिठी साकर, मीठ आनी काळें मीठ घालून मिक्स करून घेवपाचे. ताच्या वयर तळून घेतिल्ले ड्राय फ्रुट्स घालपाचे. मागीर मिरसांग्याचो पिठो आनी हळदीचो पिठो घालून बरें मिक्स करपाचे. शेवटाक करबेल तेलान तळून घालपाचो. खमंग चिवडो तयार.
Welcome back to Guest Host Chef's Kitchen.
Today is Diwali special episode. So chef, what is special this Diwali?
Diwali is what sweet, and even you get a lot of guests in your house, and
Yeah,
you
true.
offer the sweet items to the guest. Okay. So we are gonna make the malpua today.
Wow. Okay, what are the ingredients?
Ingredients: it's some pistachios, your khoya, the suji which is soaked in the milk, then your refined flour and the sugar. This milk for the rabdi which goes with the malpua.
Okay, this is elaichi.
Yeah, elaichi powder and the saffron which is soaked in the hot water.
Okay, let's start.
Yes, make a rabdi first. So if that rabdi goes cold on the things, when the malpua is hot and the rabdi is cold, both the flavor, both the taste is completely contrasted.
Milk.
Yes.
Now we need to thicken the milk.
Yes, but thickness which is own. We are not going to put any extra ingredient for the thickening the milk. It is a rabdi which is traditional Indian dessert, which don't require anything else should be there with the rabdi. You can have it like that also. And the rabdi, if you cook it more, you will get the proper khoya. Okay. Before you get the khoya, you make rabdi, put it in the deep freezer. You will get the kulfi. There are a lot of versions you can run around it. But thing is, when you are handling with the milk, you have to take a precaution that should not get curdled. Okay. When you boil the milk, before that you put in that same vessel, put water in it, make it boil, throw that water, and then put the milk. So you will not get the milk should not get curdled.
Okay.
That is the only precaution you can get it. I added 1.5 spoon of sugar.
And how much milk you had taken?
It was 200 ml.
So you have added very less sugar.
Yes, because it has own glucose in it.
तुम्ही हे पळोवंक शकता, इतली जाड ती रबडी जाल्ली. खूप टाइम लागता तेका, पण तुमकां तो फ्लेवर येवपा खातीर तुमकां हें करचेंच पडटलें.
Now we'll make the sugar syrup.
Now how much sugar you have added?
It is approximately 100 gram, and after that you put a less amount of water in it, because sugar itself it oozes its own water in it, because it made out of sugar cane. So after that, and we required it one string sugar syrup. So it has to be coated on the malpua. When you dip it in the sugar syrup, when you take out, just like jalebi, what you get the coat of the sugar syrup on the top, that is 2 string of the sugar syrup. Here you get it the 1 string of the sugar syrup.
म्हणजे बेसिकली इन सिंपल लँग्वेज एक तारीचो
एक तारीखचा पाव.
You saw the thing which is dropping. This is the proper way. Now the sugar syrup is done. Okay. You keep it aside and make a dough which is required. Your batter which is required for the malpua. Flavor when you eat it.
Ah, okay.
Your nose should be feel that there is elaichi powder also you are eating.
Okay,
There
fine,
is the
fine,
flavor of
fine.
the elaichi powder. Because of that only when it's warm, you put the elaichi powder in it.
मैं वो अच्छा सा फ्लेवर आ जाता
हाँ,
है
अच्छा सा flavor. Before you put the first malpua in the fryer, you test it every time whether it is done or not. Now it's done. You can put the first thing.
अशें दिसता की ती पुरी लाटून भितर तेलान घातिल्ली आसा. Till it becomes golden brown, you have to
You have to wait for the color should come out.
color.
Okay. Now see the color.
Yeah.
We have just done one. You will taste like little bit soft but crunchy.
Okay.
गुजरात और राजस्थान साइड में बहुत ज़्यादा होता
बहुत ज़्यादा होता है.
है. Other things like in Rajasthan you'll get churma, dal churma वगैरह. वो that kind of things you get. They put a lot of ghee on the top.
ओके.
Saffron in the rabdi. Okay.
वाव. ओके, झाली फायनली घेवपाची आता.
हीच घेतलेली म्हाका बरी दिसते. ही चड म्हाका आवडूंक ना. अविनाश, ह्यो पणट्यो घेतल्यान माझे फायनल दिवाळीची शॉपिंग जाली.
अंग चिवडा.